Here's something interesting, and this also can help you understand why this Ninja Zpro is worth $8,000. So check this out. This is a Ninja wheel, big wheel with the Sprocket Hub, and here's how you make it work. You take this out of the Ninja wheel. There's the Zpro wheel. You take this out of the Zpro wheel, and I say that easily. It's not easy. I did it myself. I made all these parts. So we're going to marry this one with this one. We're going to come up with this and this. So this right here, that's your Zpro Sprocket Hub and Sprocket. So we take the Sprocket Hub, make a plate out of aluminum for it, weld it on there. Sprocket sits out further on the Ninja swing arm. You have to adjust and make room for that. And then we're going to take this Ninja 400 Sprocket Hub, cut it down to this fancy gizmo, so that I don't have to go around buying custom sprockets all the time. I can use these lightweight race sprockets. You can get them a lot of places, no special orders. And then you make this so that it fits right on to this wheel right here, and then it's all beautiful and matches up. You can see those holes. It's kind of hard to see them. And then this goes on the Zpro wheel. So, like that. Goes on there. This goes on here. It bolts up, and there you have it. No need to buy special sprockets. You just buy anything that goes on a Kawasaki Ninja 400, and there's a ton of stuff available for the Ninja 400 format, because it is a race bike, and that's the race engine, and that's the race bike suspension right there. It's not the Zpro suspension. So that's a lot of work, but that's how you do it.